Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you conjunctions. First, the definition of conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, clauses and sentences. कंजक्शन क्या होता है? एक ऐसा शब्द जो वर्ड्स को, फ्रेजेस को, क्लाउज को या सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ता है और फिर क्या? इट ऑल्सो एस्टैब्लिशेस ए रिलेशन बिटवीन द पार्ट्स दैट हैव बीन ज्वाइंड, और जिसको वो जोड़ देता है उसके बीच ये रिलेशन भी बताता है. The major conjunctions are and, though, neither, nor, either, or, unless, lest, when, while, however, since, because, but, therefore, otherwise, yet, whether, if, till, as, like, and both. There are 4 types of conjunctions. Number 1 is coordinating conjunctions. Number 2 is subordinating conjunctions. Number 3 is correlative conjunctions. And number 4 is compound conjunctions. Now I am going to explain all the types of conjunctions. Number 1, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions join two words, phrases, clauses and sentences of equal rank or grammatical units of the same kind. Means जो coordinating conjunction है वो equal rank के words को, phrase को, clause को या sentence को जोड़ता है. मेन जो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन है वो है एंड, बट, और, सो, फॉर एंड येट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज रिच बट नॉट हैप्पी. रिच एंड हैप्पी इक्वल रैंक को बता रहा है और दोनों में को कौन जोड़ रहा है? बट. दैट्स व्हाई बट इज हियर कंजक्शन. गिव मी मिल्क और कॉफी or is coordinating conjunctions here. In this way, these two sentences are the examples of joins to words. इसी तरह, she is kind so she helps people. Here joins two main clause. Clause क्या होता है आप सब जानते हैं? Clause is the combination of two sentences which had its own subject and predicate. यहां पर दो सेंटेंस कौन है? She is kind. नंबर 2 कौन है? She helps people. दोनों को कौन जोड़ रहा है? So. इसीलिए so here is coordinating conjunction. Her pleasant looks and gentle manners got her the job. Here दो फ्रेज को जोड़ रहा है कौन? एंड दैट्स व्हाई एंड इज कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन. नंबर 2, subordinating conjunctions. Conjunctions that join two unequal words, phrases or sentences where one word is dependent on the other are called subordinate conjunctions. ये दो अनइक्वल वर्ड्स, फ्रेज और सेंटेंस को जोड़ता है जहां वन जो है सेंटेंस वो डिपेंडेंट होता है दूसरे पर. इट इंट्रोड्यूस ए सबऑर्डिनेट क्लाउज in a complex sentence. A subordinate clause is dependent on the main clause. Example as till, since, if, unless, though, because, while, before and then. We can clear it with the help of some more examples. They will be happy if you come over. Here they will be happy and you come over. These are two unequal, you can say, words joined by if. And that's why if is here subordinating conjunction. Just like that, Ram did not go to school as he was ill. Here as is the example of subordinating conjunction. Number third, correlative conjunctions. Paired conjunctions which join words, phrases or clauses are called correlative conjunctions. Paired conjunctions means either or, pair में है, neither nor, pair, not only but also pair, though yet pair, both and pair. Look the examples. He will be either in the room or in the hall, either or pair words. That's why this is the example of correlative conjunctions. Both my father and mother. Both and. Here, this is the example of correlative conjunctions. Fourth, compound conjunctions. Compound conjunctions are formed in the case of compound expressions. When we have to express compound expressions, then compound conjunctions will be used. So that as soon as well as though, even though, these are the examples of compound conjunctions. We can clear it with more examples. Ram invited me as well as my parents. दोनों के लिए आया है, मुझे और मेरे पेरेंट्स दोनों को राम ने इनवाइट किया. Here as well as is the example of compound conjunctions. Ram went there so that he could see everything. वो गया क्यों? तो सब कुछ वो देख सके. Here so that is the example of compound conjunctions. I think you have understood the different types of conjunctions. Thank you.